So hey guys, before starting with the new series of Python solving problems, first of all I want to clear you that before if you want to build your logical skills of solving Python and you want to solve like a pro, then I would suggest you to go with the problems, solving more problems instead of reading concepts. So what I made is this series also like that only, so you can follow this series. So here today we will solve the basic problems, but you try out yourself to learn more and more and crack those hard level problems. So let's get started with the video doing the problems of a website. So I will redirect, I will share my screen, so wait over here. So hey guys, now I am showing my screen of snakeify.com. So it's the website where you can just freely register your sign up yourself and you can solve problems and improve your logical skills. The problems here are very nice and logical skills, logical thinking will be improved a lot. With the help of me, it even more interesting. Like in the last one, we have in the last video, we had directly assigned as a is equals to 5. But here we need to take input from the user. So don't get confused. It's just that the compiler is expecting the user to give some values that it will assign to that variable. That is the concept over here. Try to understand. I am explaining in a simple way, and you can see I have written some examples over here. So let's start with the first example and we will run the code actually. So yeah, in the first line when we run, here is the output box and it's just blinking. What does that mean? So in the first line where you can see that I have given a is equals to int of input. So I have told you input brackets is the syntax for taking input to any number, but I'm now telling int of input. Why I'm telling like that? Because we are the compiler is expecting the user to give an integer value that will assign it to a. Okay, so and what does this blinking means, and how we will understand that it will blink and we have to give the values. So for that, in the next line you can see I have given something as bracket and give a. So what you can see is the compiler, to make the thing easy, the simplify the things easier, what we can do is we can just give in the brackets of input. After input, in the bracket we can give the semicolons and we can write anything over there. Anything, your name, father's name, mother's name, biodata, everything you can give, and it will print that before it asks you for that value. Means here in the second line we have given as b and I have written give a. Will it show error? No, it won't, because in that columns you can give single column, double columns and triple columns, no problems. So it will print anything if you write it. So I have given a give a, so it won't take error, it will print that one. If I give space, then it will give space, otherwise it won't. So now see, in the first line what I have said, give something input for a, and I have not written anything inside that columns or inside that brackets after input, so it won't give any message to me. So we will just directly assign a value 5. So you can see over there we are assigning 5 to what, to the integer a, so that to the variable a. So we will give as enter and it will see, yeah, you can see here it's asking for give a. So what is here give a means? Give a means it's asking something to give user to give input to b. Means it's not asking a, it's asking b only, but I have given here that message which should be printed before asking for a b value is give a. So it will ask for b and I will give, like, it's also an integer. You can see int of bracket I have given, so I will give an integer like 5, next 4. Okay, so it's not giving space because we have not given any space after a. If we give space, then it will also take space. So next give a, we have given 4, then I will press enter. Then I will again saying like in the c value also it's asking like Swaroop give a. So what does this mean? So here also it's asking an integer only. Here I want just to show that it's just a message. So here in the columns, if you give anything, it's just act like a message for you, so that you could understand that we have to give input something. So here I can remove this a, and I can just say write it like give c. So give c. So we will give a again, not a with the actual value of c. So what is c? We can give it as 6. So I have given 6 and I'm entering. So here also it's an example that I wanted to show you, that it's we can give anything in the columns. So it's asking something, but what is the value of this? You can see over here, it's nothing but it's asking the value of d, and here I wrote something float. What is this float? Now we don't know, you have not told us. Yeah, you have to just learn everything from this site, which is sneakify.com. everything is written over there, and you can just easily do problems. So float is nothing but decimal numbers. That's it, you have finished, you have learned floats. So here we have to give in this, as it's asking for d, we have to give some decimal point numbers, like I'm giving here 5.2. we can also give as 5.0, that's also a decimal number. So float value, that will say as float value. What all these are? Int, float, and these all are variables, sorry, data types. So data types are fixed, and you can learn those in the future. So I'm entering, I have given assigning 5.2 to d, and have given a message like something. So next it's asking for try to understand me. So what is this? Again, I wanted to explain you that we can give anything in the quotes, and I have given something. You can see it's like str. So what is this? Str means, str means string. So string is nothing but it's a group of words, group of characters, like your name is a string, Swaroop is a string, and the subscribe to this channel is also a string. So we are requested by the compiler to give a string, and we have given a message like try to understand me. So we will give like why, we will give like why don't you, so we will give like as why don't you subscribe. So why don't you subscribe? So it's a string. Okay, let's see it will print the spaces or not. So that's for E. Next statement what I have given, as you can see in the next line, what I have given is just like to print, what I have given just to print A, B, C, D, E. So I have given like commas. So if you want in a new lines, so slowly you will get understand if you do problems. Don't worry if you don't think, if you are solving or not happening, just follow me, just copy my things and just write some of your own codes, so that you will understand. So you can see I have printed like said the compiler to print A, B, C, D, E. So what it will do, it will just print them out. And in the next line I have given something as A, B, C, D, E print, and I have given in the end like sep, sep, and something like backslash t. So that is nothing but it will just separate A, B, C, D, E with tab space. So backslash t means tab space, backslash n means new line. So those are the things, and now I will just enter here. Here I have given my string like why don't you subscribe, and I will sorry, it has just stopped. So let's give the inputs instantly. So a value was 5. I am explaining you again. So give a, that is also b value we have given as 4. So next values for give a, that is the value of c. What we have to give is 6. We can give anything your wish. So here as bvp we can give as a 2.0, and we can go to the next line, that is nothing, why don't try to understand me, why don't you sub. Okay, leave those spelling mistakes. Okay, why don't you sub. Okay, there's the string, and now I'm entering. So it's the string which I have given, so I'm now entering. So you can see the output. In the first line, as I have said, it will print each one after another. So it has printed like that only 5, next 4, next 6, 2.0. Why don't you sub? Next, as said, it will give a tab space, that is nothing but 8 spaces, and it will print those digits, and whatever you have given to the say to the compiler to print. So that's the concept, that's the logic to do the problems, to start the problems. And if you understand this video, if you don't understand, then watch again. If you understand this video, half of your Python is over. Yeah, half of your Python is over, and rest half is what you have to just do lot of hard problems, and you have to just build your logical skills, and you have to just try out different problems as you have did in preparation of JEE physics or something like preparing hard questions. So concept is small, but preparing is large, means it's infinite. You can prepare anything, any much amount you can. So this is the concept. Let's see quickly those problems. So as this is a practice series, it will go some long, so don't worry. So I will turn off my video and I will just simply explain you, otherwise I will tell. So here what I did is what it did is, so here it says like A is input sum of three numbers. So here you have to take three numbers and you have to do the sum of those three. Okay, it's simple, you can do. You have to just take three numbers, you have to do the sum. So how do you do? So you will take A, B, C, and you will do right like int input. Just you give without any columns, you don't write any like things that messages or some things. So here he took three lines, means three inputs, three numbers, and he just finally printed those everything. And you can see everything, each and everything is in a single line. That is indentation that you must follow. And what is this hash? As I have told you in the starting, it's just to comment. The compiler will not read this line. So going to the next, that is hi John. Here, as I said that sep is to separate, and here end is to end a string and end everything with something, means here the statement is like, if you read these problems and you just try to do, you can, means if you will become a pro in language Python. So trust me, take time, understand this video only, don't go for other videos because it's a basic one. Time will take, but you can achieve by doing these problems in 2 days. It's 2 days time is enough for you, because if you are watching this video, if you have good skills, then it will take only 2 days. So it will print like hi, which is in comment, which is in means brackets, so column. It will print just like hi. Yeah, okay. And means and with a, what is a is something which you will give in input. So here there are some test cases. See, I have also did wrong in the first attempt. In the second attempt, I did just correct it. And if you try for 10 attempts, then you can finally achieve it. And you can just remember this syntaxes, just not this is not the thing, because and a with a, it's not a thing, because that's like a syntax. You can just remember those things by doing lot of problems. Main thing is to understand the question and put logic. So next is square. Square is nothing but to square that number, take a number, multiply that. Multiply, I have told you, star. So area of right angle triangle, take height, base, and you can just half into height into base. Next, hello Harry, we have to print like hello Harry. Read these questions, read those warnings, and you just try out those problems. Hello means hello, we have to print. Then we have to print Harry, that is what input of our which is taken by the user. And next we have to print a plus, means plus means here also you can just confuse. I have written this plus, but you can write just comma, and you can just enter that means what the symbol called, that symbol. So next is this one. This is a hard problem, you can try it. There are some hard problems, this is one hard problem. If you do it, then you are doing just very well, and by watching this video. So next is nothing but previous and next. So remember this also, means just try out, remember the syntaxes and some conditions and those everything. So read those questions. If you face any doubt, then I have the solution videos of these things, so I can give you. If you try it out, then it will happen. and do see these solutions, because seeing solutions you don't get logical thinking or something. So pause it, go do it. No, not to pause, video is completed. So go do solve more problems. And that's it for this video. Make sure that you watch the series entirely. I will try to upload as soon as possible. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you haven't subscribed.